Do you want one simple sauce that makes almost anything taste better? I am going to show you how to make this smoky Chipotle chimichurri sauce just like Chipotle does. And it's so easy to do. It only takes about 15 minutes. So let's unlock that secret on how Chipotle makes its red chimichurri sauce. You're going to start by roasting a garlic bulb with a bit of nonstick spray in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes or until soft. Then in a food processor, you're going to combine lime juice, lemon juice, red wine vinegar, oil, chili powder, chipotle powder, red pepper flakes, and salt. You're going to blend this until it's well combined. Then you are going to add in the roasted garlic and fresh cilantro. Then pulse just a few times so the sauce stays slightly chunky. Then you can drizzle this over grilled meat, vegetables, burrito bowls, whatever you like. Keep a jar in the fridge and you will never serve a bland meal again. You can get the full recipe at copycat.com. If you want more great recipes, head on over. We've got lots.